What should you wear in the sauna? Swimmers, nothing, a towel? Tell us.
Look, I'm German. I don't know what the Germans like to be naked. I think that's even internationally. I think that's quite well known. Like I grew up on beaches where there was a separated wall, and there was a naked, the nudist beach, and the normal beach. And my dad was a nudist, so kind of always grew up that way. So look,
very comfortable.
There you go. Wear what you want, but you need to fundamentally understand that we're talking about light, right? And every piece of towel, cotton material in between the heater and your body is blocking the light to some extent, right? So if you are wearing a towel wrapped around you on your back, for instance, that will reduce the effectiveness of the infrared heat being absorbed by the body. So the optimal answer is go naked, like sit on a towel, enjoy that. If you're uncomfortable with it, maybe sort of wrap it around your lower body to really make sure that you sort of really get these infrared wavelengths kind of absorbed by the human body. So that will be the best, like going naked. But look, if it stresses you to be naked, then it's also not right. Like, it should be a relaxing experience. And I think that ultimately depends on how happy you are with being naked or not.
Yeah.